Alright, so today there's a boat right behind the bushing. It's like a backing plate on the subframe brace for the sway bar. When the bolts came loose on this one, it's right behind the bushing, so I gotta take out the sway bar. And also I found out that when it was raining 2 days ago, I don't know if you guys can see, there's actually water. There's water in here, so I need to pretty much get the water out. And the water was coming through that little fucking hole right there. So, gonna clean that out right now. Alright, and the water's out. And I need to patch up that hole, even though it's for like when you close the door, the air gets out. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna take out the sway bar, put some Loctite on the nut since I'm not using Loctite, and let's see where we go from there. Well, I finished putting the Loctite on that bolt, but now I'm just let's see how to explain it. Just trying to cover up my rivet gun or whatever it's called, and sorry, I'm so hungry right now. But I'm drilling holes in the trunk, and then I'll show you guys the final result when I'm done with it. But for now, I'm just gonna finish it up. Alright, so here's the final product. It's finished. So pretty much like that. And then if I was supposed to, oops, hit my head. If I was supposed to pop the trunk, it doesn't go up unless I take off the latches. Just like that. It took me like 10 minutes to do it. Just spent the day yesterday with Ronaldo finding the hardware and brackets and everything. Since they do sell these, I think Jay's Racing sells them, but I decided to make my own because, you know, save money. But I just got finished bolting up the bumper back and everything. I'm happy. Time to begin my day. Run some errands, go to DMV. What else? Yeah, renew my mom's registration for her. And get some lunch since I haven't ate all morning. It is 1:30 right now. And oh yeah, I'm gonna go wash my car too. Really dirty. But there's a better shot if I could this thing with focus. Oh, it won't focus.